Hi everyone, welcome to my AWS Cloud project demo. Today I'll show you how to host a static website on Amazon S3. We'll create a bucket, upload a web page, enable static hosting, make it public and give it life. All in few minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create an S3 bucket. First, we need an S3 bucket to store website files. In the S3 console, I'll click Create Bucket. After clicking it, I'm naming it with a unique name. It has to be unique, so I've added some numbers too. I'll keep all the default settings like region and access controls and hit the Create Bucket button. There's a bucket. Step 2. Upload website files. Now let's upload our web page in the bucket. In the Buckets Objects tab, I'll click Upload button. And then click on the Add Files. I've got an index.html file ready. It's actually a styled page. I'll select it and then click Upload. And it's now in the bucket ready to be hosted. This is the URL from which we are going to access our web page. I'm going to copy it and paste it in the next tab and click on enter. It shows access denied. For that, we need to do step 3, which is enable static website hosting. Next, we'll enable the static website hosting. We'll go to the bucket and in the properties section, I'll find static website hosting and click on edit. I'll enable it. Select host static website and set index.html as the index document. This is our main page. I'll leave the error document, which is optional, and click on Save Changes. And then we'll see the endpoint URL we'll use later. Step 4. Try accessing the website. Let's try the website now. I'm going to refresh the page and it still shows the access denied. That's because the bucket is private by default. Let's make it public to fix this. Step 5. Make the bucket publicly accessible. To allow internet access, we need to adjust permissions. In the Permissions tab, I'll go to Block Public Access and click on Edit. I'll uncheck the Block All Public Access to permit public reads, save changes. I'm going to type confirm and then click confirm. That's the first step going public. So I'm going to refresh the page again and check whether the web page is available, but it shows access denied. So step 6, make objects publicly accessible. Now we'll make the website files public. Still in the permissions, I'll edit the bucket policy. For that, I'm going to go to the object ownership and click on edit. I'll click on ACLs enabled I'm going to acknowledge it and then click on Save Changes. So now go to the objects, select the objects in the bucket, go to Actions and then click on Make Public using ACL. click on make public, confirm it. So yeah, now everything is done. So let's move to the final step. Step 7. Test the website again. Time to test again. Let's refresh the page again. There's a website live on S3. It's got a cool gradient, a bouncing rocket, and a button linking to AWS S3. I'm gonna click on it. So yes, that's it. This proves our static hosting and permissions are working perfectly. That's it. We've created an S3 bucket, uploaded a web page, enabled static hosting, and made it public to launch a live site. Thanks for watching my demo. I hope you learned something. See you next time.